today. And in today's video, we're gonna be making scrunchies. Firstly, you're going to need fabric, a ruler, a hair tie or elastic band, scissor, and a pen. So firstly, you're gonna have your fabric. You're gonna cut your fabric to at least 20 inches. This is 20 inches. I already did it, so this would be 4 by 20. Kind of long, but if you want the scrunchiness, if you want it to actually scrunch up, that's what you're gonna need. Smooth the edges, and iron it to make sure it's flat. Okay, so to make the elastic band, you're going to need at least 8 inches of your elastic band. And then you're gonna sew this together. Okay, so right now, after we sewed it together, now we're gonna take the fabric, fold it, flatten it out, try to make it straight. Then you're going to sew it together. So while you're putting your elastic band in, you're gonna wanna move it around while you're sewing it together to make that scrunching effect. Let's go! Okay, so now you have to put this inside out. So you would just push the inside out and then just take it out, basically. And do it until it reaches the other side. In this case, to put this together, I would recommend using like a hair clip or a safety pin. And I'm done with this side, which now all you have to do right now is just cover that up. Okay, so now all you have to do is just overlap it, and then you're going to sew a line right here. If it goes to the elastic band, it's okay. It's supposed to. And let's go!
Okay.